So hey, just wanted to give a little shout out to these things. This is a tack cloth from Uni-Pro. You can pick it up at the paint section from your local hardware store. I get mine from Bunnings. I think they're about $4 or $5 or something. These are fantastic if you're doing any dusting and then any sort of finishing work like waxing or painting, which I'm about to do. You can go over, do your dusting, sanding like I've just done, and then give it a wipe over with a piece of cloth or something. But you'll really notice a difference when you hit it with this thing afterwards. I've just done that door and the thing just feels so smooth and clean. I said these, because they're about $4 or $5. Every time I do some sanding or painting now, I'll leave it here in the shed overnight and there's bound to get some surface dust on it. So I just hit it with this before I do the next coat of paint. Also excellent for waxing and stuff like that if you really want to get that clean finish on your waxing without having to worry about little dust and stuff being underneath that when you do your waxing. This is where I first heard about it actually, when I was doing some work on a little bit of furniture with some wax polish from Gillies. They recommend hitting your surface with one of these guys. I bought this one here probably 2 years or so ago when I was doing some work down at Wagga Wagga with CSU University at the high school there, and that's probably lasted me a dozen or so jobs, and then I just got a brand new one a few months ago when I started doing some more doors for inside stuff. So highly recommended. Just a quick tip: Uni-Pro Tack Cloth. Tiles, metal, wood, painted surfaces, general cleaning, laboratories, computers and electronic devices. It has a really sticky texture to it. Need to look after it, otherwise it'll dry out. So when you finish with it, just fold it back up, pop it back in the plastic and then keep that out of the bright heat sort of thing. And it'll last you quite a few jobs. I wouldn't clean it, like I wouldn't put this in the washing machine because there is some stuff in it that would probably come out and gunk up the other stuff. But for $4 or $5 for something that's going to last a dozen or so jobs, then yeah, that's okay. It pays for itself. You just toss it out and start again. So that's the Uni-Pro Tack Cloth.